was supposed to be making a review video, but the thing I was reviewing hasn't arrived yet. I have been sitting in this very spot for 3 weeks. What could be taking that mailman so long?
I'm just a mailman, deliver the letter. Mailman, sooner the better. Mailman, right on.
Anyway, so the company ESCAM reached out to me a while back and gave me a free security camera to review, and I said I would because my parents really want a security camera. You see, last time I was in town, we heard over the radio that there was this scum-of-the-earth criminal going house to house, knocking on people's doors, saying that he was having car troubles or whatever, and when people would invite them in, he'd assault them, ransack their house, stealing all their stuff, which isn't very nice. So once I'm done reviewing this camera for you nice people today, I'll be giving it to my parents. If it survives. If it arrives. What is taking that mailman so long? Ooh, mail time.
I'm just a mailman, deliver the letter.
Well, it's about time. Oh boy, it's finally here. Let's review this thing. And here it is. So, I'm actually not reviewing this alone. I've invited my friend and colleague Jon to help review it with me. Hello, Jon.
Yes. Hello, Dayton.
Alright, we're not advertising, we're reviewing.
We're not shilling. We're just reviewing a product we got for free because we can.
Yeah, in the buddy format, because that certainly hasn't been overdone yet.
No, it's never been done before, actually.
So, we gotta open the box. Now,
yeah, this is gonna be like an unboxing. You have to do like the unboxing channel intro, where it's like, hey guys, got this, I'm gonna unbox this camera for you today. Oh, look at this. Comes with
wow.
white foam.
I can't believe,
Oh boy. It comes with a power cord. So, most recently, here's the camera. It's got 2 white LEDs, it looks like, and maybe 2 IR LEDs. We'll just put in some B-roll of the camera.
We'll put
here.
in some high-res shots to up the video quality.
And it has a little light
value.
sensor on it, so you can see what time it is. Well, how
okay,
dark
Jon.
it is.
So, what does the quality feel like?
So, it actually feels respectably well built.
Okay, while Jon reads the instruction manual, let's crack this thing open and see what quality is like on the inside. Is this like even relevant information to anybody watching this?
No, it's not, but then again,
Probably not.
probably not. Okay. Oh,
so the software had a virus in it.
I'm gonna screen cap this.
Well, it looks like the software, the computer thinks it's a virus, or contains a virus. What do you think, Jon?
It contains a virus.
A virus?
Yes. Let's see if I can find it.
Are you making fun of my speech impediment?
No, it's just like a really weird way of saying virus. Oh, this is a disaster.
What? What's going on?
Look at this.
Alright, so the software's not ready yet. So now we have a live feed on Jon's phone here.
Exactly what the camera is seeing. But the app itself has some decent features like capturing snapshots directly and other stuff we'll show you later on.
I see no problems with that.
Dang kid, get off my lawn!
You know, let's pour some liquid nitrogen on it to make sure it can survive Houghton winters.
I don't think liquid nitrogen is cold enough. For our next set of experiments, we need to make sure that this thing can withstand every force of nature. That being wind, water,
And volcanoes. This air compressor hose gives us the power of a hurricane in the palm of our hand.
Alright, but let's be a little more realistic here. In real hurricanes, there's rain. Does it work in the rain? That's what I intend to find out. But since it never rains here, I had to improvise. So far, so good. Well, it doesn't look like it's having any problems, so we're gonna need to try harder.
And now the part you've all been waiting for, where we let our little camera go for a swim. And it's still on, and so yeah, it's actually pretty impressive that it's staying alive. Like, so there's water inside of the camera, it looks like. But hey, it survived, and it's still transmitting relatively clear footage anyways.
Alright, I'll say this only once. Name's Blueprint Noire. Sometimes I let matches burn down to my fingertips, just so I can feel something, anything. My goal? To use IR LEDs to blend into the environment. You can't stand out in my line of work. Yep, well that's pretty conclusive. I guess the ESCAM camera does not filter out high-intensity infrared light. So, for those of you who like numbers, I give this camera a 7.8 out of 10 because it's a good price. It can do the stuff. It falters in software mainly.
Yeah, I'd say it's a 7 out of 10 right now, but it could easily be a much better rating once the software gets there.
So if the software were up to par, this camera would easily be between 8 and 9 out of 10. Yeah,
definitely. Easily. But yeah, anyhow, it's a pretty good camera. Check it against others, you know, like do research. Don't just go out and buy it instantly.
Right.
Pretty good.
So there we go.
Now,
that's our review.
There actually is
camera review.
We would like to thank ESCAM also for sending us this review unit because, you know, we're grateful to, you know, get the opportunity to do these kinds of reviews for you guys.
I would like to thank my friend Jon for helping me with this review.
Yeah.
I'm certainly not doing this for blackmail purposes. This was purely an artistic decision.
Yes. We're gonna cut this part for sure.
Yeah, like what are we, a garbage podcast? We don't keep this stuff in.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be sad if this made it into the final cut?